We have 4 cars in our household. 2 of them we own free and clear. 2 of them are financed. What kind of coverage are we required to have in the state of Georgia?
Well, liability insurance is required on any vehicle that is licensed and tagged in Georgia. State minimum liability is quite low, and that is the only coverage that's required by law. Now, if you have a loan on a vehicle and there is a lost payee, well then that lost payee generally provides that you insure their collateral. The vehicle is the collateral on the loan, and therefore the bank or the financial institution will say that they want you to protect their collateral. And that comes in the form of physical damage coverage, which is comprehensive and collision insurance. Comprehensive in case it's fire, theft, or vandalism, and collision coverage if it is any type of a collision upset. They both have deductibles. Sometimes they're the same, sometimes they're different, but that is what's required. If you owe money, you need to protect the collateral with physical damage. If the car is paid for and you have no desire to insure it other than liability, that's strictly your decision. I personally don't see the difference whether you owe money or not. If your car is valuable and you own it free and clear, I still think that you should at least talk with an agent and get a price, because you can protect an expensive car for quite a little bit of money. It's not required by law, but I think it's a good idea. I think maybe you should call a local Focus insurance agent and get them to give you a price on your 4 cars.
Well, thank you. I think I'll do that right now.
That would be good.
But can I do that on the internet?
Well, you can do that on the internet, but we don't like you to do it on the internet. And I'll tell you why. Within a few minutes of a conversation with a professional insurance agent, you can save yourself hours of time going online and trying to get rates and trying to figure out what coverages you need. Not only is it not less expensive, it's also you're doing all the work and you don't know what you're doing.
So will you do all the work and you can tell me exactly how much coverage I can get for just a little bit more money?
That's exactly what we do. We basically do everything for you. You simply tell us your case scenario. We fill in all the blanks. We tell you what you need to do. You don't need to be doing it yourself. It doesn't save you any money to do it yourself. So let your local Focus insurance agent do that for you. Make sure you've got the proper coverage. Make sure you're covered properly.
Well, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I was in